Have you ever observed that your body doesn't work the same way after you turn 60 or 70? You might have been able to easily climb stairs, lift groceries without thinking, or get off the couch without feeling a strain in your knees or back. But suddenly, even small tasks like reaching down to tie your shoes or taking clothes upstairs seem tougher. You can even ask yourself, why am I losing muscle so quickly even though I'm eating well? Or maybe someone urged you to consume more protein, but every time you try to eat more eggs or meat, your stomach feels heavy and uncomfortable. And here's the truth. Losing muscle beyond 70 isn't just about being smaller or weaker. It's also about not being able to move freely and live the life you love. It has an effect on everything, including your equilibrium, vitality, confidence, and independence. But what if I told you there is a vegetable-based protein that can help you grow muscle after 70 even better than eggs? It is easy on your stomach, good for your heart, and will help you stay strong, active, and independent for years to come. Stay with me because this one item could shift how you think about protein for good. But before we get started, please subscribe to this channel if you are new here. This channel is only for older people. We provide you natural cures, medical advice, and lifestyle suggestions every week to help you enhance your energy, memory, and digestion, as well as preserve your heart and bones. By signing up, you'll always get tips that can help you live a healthier, happier, and more independent life after 60. Why it's common to lose muscle. After 70 sarcopenia, or muscle loss after age 70, is something that not many people discuss about. After age 50, most seniors start to lose about 1% of their muscle each year. That can build up to a lot of lost strength by the time you're 70. You might notice that your arms look slimmer, your clothes fit looser around your legs, or that you feel weaker when you accomplish regular things. And it's not just about looking good. It's also about being free. Strong muscles help you get out of bed, climb stairs, and even stay upright so you don't fall. Here's something that most people don't know. Not fueling your muscles properly can make you lose muscle, not simply age. As we get older, our bodies don't use the protein we eat as well. That means that consuming the same meals you did in your 40s or 50s doesn't have the same effect today. You need a different sort of protein for your muscles. This one is easier to digest, better absorbed, and has important amino acids that instruct your body to build muscle now. So if eating eggs and meat makes you feel full or exhausted, it might be time to try something else. The shocking truth about eggs and animal protein. People have termed eggs the gold standard of protein for a long time, and they are good. They have all 9 of the amino acids your body needs to grow and repair itself. But here's something that most folks don't know. Your digestive enzymes slow down once you turn 70. Proteins from animals, such eggs, steak, and chicken, take longer to digest. They also tend to make you feel bloated, have acid reflux, or have that heavy feeling in your stomach that many older people are all too familiar with. And if your body can't break it down effectively, you're not truly employing that protein to develop muscle. It's like trying to fill up your petrol tank when the fuel line is blocked. Even more surprising, studies now reveal that some plant-based proteins are not only easier to digest, but they may also help older folks build muscle more effectively. And that's where hope comes in. Your body can still gain muscle at any age if you give it the appropriate kind of food. So, which basic item may truly exceed eggs at building muscle and still be pleasant on your stomach? It's not tofu. It's not beans. And it's not one of those pricey protein powders you see on TV. It's something even easier, and you probably have it in your pantry right now. The reveal, the vegetable protein that is better than eggs, lentils. Yes, these little, unassuming legumes are some of the best foods for growing muscle on Earth. Before you roll your eyes and say, lentils? Really? Let's take a deeper look. You get about 18 grams of pure protein from each cup of cooked lentils. That's about the same as 3 eggs, but without the cholesterol, heavy fats, or digestive problems that come with animal protein. And here's the magic. Lentils are full of leucine, an amino acid that works like a light switch for your muscles. Your body can't get the message to start building without leucine. But lentils turn that switch on swiftly, effectively, and gently. Plus, they have a lot of fiber, magnesium, and B vitamins, which all help your body digest meals well, give you steady energy, and heal tissue faster. It's hard to believe that something so modest and common can give you so much vigor after 70. Stay with me. In the following half, we'll speak about how lentils discreetly preserve your heart, brain, and even your joints, not just your muscles. Benefits for health beyond muscles. Think about how nice it would be to get up in the morning, extend your arms, and notice that your knees don't hurt as much as they used to. Your hands are steadier. Your energy feels less heavy. It feels fantastic to move again when you stroll into the kitchen without that slow heaviness. It's what occurs when you feed your body the way it needs to be fed, and lentils are a significant part of it. Lentils don't just help you create muscle. They repair your body quietly all around. They help keep blood sugar levels steady, which stops those energy-draining dumps in the middle of the day. They naturally have low salt levels, which is good for blood pressure. They are also full of antioxidants, which are strong chemicals that fight the inflammation that causes joint pain, exhaustion, and even memory loss. Lentils have been a part of daily life in places like India, Egypt, and Greece for hundreds of years. Many older people in India like to eat dal, a golden lentil dish that is cooked with turmeric and cumin. The spices themselves have medicinal properties, and the smell is quite calming. Cumin helps with digestion, and turmeric helps with joint discomfort. This makes an ordinary meal into real food for the body and mind. So the next time you eat a bowl of lentil soup to feel better, remember that you're not just eating for strength. You're eating for health. How about adding a simple lentil dish like that to your week? Please let me know in the comments how you would make it your own. Myths versus facts. Soft reassurance. Some people might have told you that plant proteins are incomplete, which means they don't have all the amino acids you need to create muscle. And that's where a lot of seniors get stuck, because they think they need to consume meat or eggs to keep strong. But the truth is that your body doesn't require all of the amino acids in one meal. It merely needs a variety of them throughout the day. When you eat lentils with basic foods like brown rice, whole grain bread, or sweet potatoes, you receive a whole protein that builds muscle and is just as good as any animal source. So don't worry. You don't have to learn how to read difficult charts or follow unique recipes. A bowl of lentil soup and a slice of whole grain toast are all you need to help your muscles get stronger. And the best part is that lentils don't leave behind acids or toxins as heavy animal proteins can. These can hurt your kidneys or make you feel bloated. They softly feed you and give your body strength without putting you under stress. So, sure, even if you're in your 70s or 80s, you can still build strong, lean muscle with plant protein. You just need to give it what it can really need, not what makes you feel exhausted and heavy afterward. How to eat lentils to build muscle the most. Now that you know how strong lentils are, let's speak about how to use them correctly. Because the right time and the right pair are important. 1. After doing light exercise, eat lentils within 2 hours. That's when your muscles are most ready to take in amino acids and start to heal. Even a short stroll or a few resistance band activities can make your muscles want protein. 2. Mix lentils with meals high in vitamin C. For instance, you could add a touch of lemon, some tomatoes, or bell peppers. Vitamin C helps your body take in more iron from lentils. This makes your muscles get more oxygen and makes you less tired. First, include healthy fats. A little olive oil or a few slices of avocado can help slow down digestion and keep your energy stable. The beneficial fats also help your body use the antioxidants in lentils better. Or, begin with baby steps. Start with half a cup a couple times a week if you're not used to lentils. You can work your way up to a cup or more a day as your body becomes used to it. Do you want to have your lentils for lunch or dinner? Please leave your comments below. They assist other people too. A simple story: how one older person got stronger after 70. Marie is a 72-year-old woman from Canada. A few years ago, she noticed that her legs were getting weaker and she was losing her balance. She ate more chicken and eggs, but they made her feel tired and full. She saw a nutrition piece about lentils and decided to switch out beef for lentil stew 3 times a week. She added lemon juice, olive oil, and turmeric, which are all simple things. She saw real changes in just 8 weeks. Her legs felt stronger, she could walk longer, and even her digestion got better. Her cholesterol and blood pressure were both reduced when she saw her doctor. It wasn't magic that made her secret work. It was consistency. She fed her body what it really needed, not just what sounded high protein on paper. You can also do the same thing. Other veggie proteins that are great for you after 70 lentils are the main focus. But additional plant proteins can help you get even better outcomes. Chickpeas are good for your heart and muscles. You may mix them into soups or hummus. Edamame, young soybeans, is a great source of leucine. Try steaming some as a snack. Quinoa, a grain that has all the essential amino acids, making it great for breakfast bowls. Green peas. They are easy to digest and full of B vitamins that help your body use protein well. Adding these to your week gives you diversity and makes sure your muscles get a lot of different nutrients. It's not enough to eat just one food. You need to make a pattern that helps your body every day. Things you shouldn't do when eating lentils. Before you run to the kitchen, let's go over some frequent blunders. Mistake number 1: eating lentils that are raw or not fully cooked. Soak them for a few hours and then cook them all the way through. This gets rid of phytates, which are chemicals that can stop nutrients from being absorbed. Mistake number 2: not using herbs and spices. Adding ginger, cumin, or turmeric not only makes the food taste better, but it also helps with digestion, making lentils even gentler on the stomach. Mistake number 3: only using lentils. Balance is important. To get all the nutrients you need, combine leafy greens, whole grains, and fruits into your meals. And here's one more thing that's very important. Drink enough water. Lentils are high in fiber, which is great, but your body requires water to digest them well. Strength, energy, and independence are some of the long-term benefits. This is why this is important. Not only do you gain stronger when you eat the appropriate kind of protein, but you also protect your independence. If you have strong muscles, you can get out of a chair effortlessly, carry your groceries, keep your equilibrium and don't fall. Make sure you have enough energy all day. In a nutshell, you are in charge of your body and your life. Think of your muscles as your savings for retirement. The more you spend on decent cuisine today, the more money you'll have to spend on your own tomorrow. Lentils, chickpeas, and other plant proteins enable that account keep increasing even after age 70. So, Let's go over everything we learned today. Your body needs protein more than ever beyond age 70, but it has to be easy to digest. Eggs are good, but lentils are a strong plant-based option that develops muscle, protects your heart, and helps digestion. For optimum benefits, eat lentils with foods high in vitamin C and healthy fats. Start small, stick with it, and you'll see your power and confidence come back. If you liked this video, please share it, like it, and subscribe. If you sign up, you'll get weekly recommendations developed particularly for seniors that will help you live longer, healthier, and happier after age 60. Don't forget, strength doesn't go away with age. It goes away when you don't use it. If you feed your muscles the right manner, you can be stronger in your 70s than you were in your 50s. Thank you for watching, and please take care of yourself.